I'm with Isaac Sorensen, Compotite. We are at Total Solutions Plus in Savannah. And how are you?
I'm good today. It's great to be at this show. It's a great show. We're really excited about some of the products that we have to debut shortly at KBIS coming up. We also have some of our latest products here with us today, our linear drain system and our niches, and we have as well, of course, we've been a rolled good company for quite a long time. We have 2 unsupported shower pan membranes and then 2 supported membranes as well, and 4 liquid applied membranes. So we have about 10 products that we're showing here today, and then we have some really exciting stuff going on with the Frank Lloyd Wright Foundation, which will be debuted at KBIS this coming show.
Now, I'm no expert in ceramic tile or any of the ancillary products. It seems like 10 years ago, people didn't talk about shower pans and all that very much, and it seems like there's been a lot of development in that. Am I wrong?
No, it's actually driven by the interest in large format tile currently, and when we speak about linear drain systems, the linear drain system really is something that has been born out of the idea that you can put a large format tile on your bathroom floor. So we came out with a linear drain system, and like everything that we make, it's made here in the United States, every last piece all the way down to the hair strainer. And linear drains are driven by large format tile. So
it would be fair to say that showers weren't as exciting 10 years ago as they are now in general.
In general, yes, they weren't as exciting as they are today. Typically, you had, the 4-inch, the 4x4, or possibly an 8-inch tile. It was about the biggest it got. But then, inspired by European design and the way that drain systems have worked, for many years in other parts of the world, we more and more are taking on this idea of using a plank pitch, which is a 2-system pitch, which allows you, again, to put a whole slab or a mosaic or a plank tile onto that 2-system pitch, which is driving the linear drain business.
So people go into a retail store, they see a beautiful shower set up at the retail store, and I want that. And that's how this is born.
That's correct. And, the tile industry bringing, again, the large format tile into the market, and that just being a trend, that trend has driven the ancillary products, such as our linear drain, to the market. And that's pretty much what's making this so exciting for us.
Frank Lloyd Wright, that's pretty exciting. I mean, everybody, is baffled by how creative Frank Lloyd Wright was, as architect.
Well, certainly he was a brilliant man, and most people know him as the great American architect of natural scapes and bringing architecture really into the land and bringing out the features of not only the home but the property, and we're really excited to be working with the foundation. We have a partnership with the Frank Lloyd Wright Foundation currently that we've been working together for a little while on creating products for the hard surface flooring and plumbing industry, respectively, around the Frank Lloyd Wright brand. Now, for us, that has started with our linear drain system. And so what we've been creating are these incredible drain grates with Frank Lloyd Wright designs lasered into the grates. He had, like most of his work, he had a large and varied body of work, and so sorting through that to figure out the best designs that we could come to market with has been a bit of a process, and we're looking forward to KBIS in January bringing out the Frank Lloyd Wright collection.
Can you show us some of this?
I would love to show you a couple of them. Again, remember, these are prototypes, So they may be a little dinged up and maybe not as shiny as we would like them to be, but they are a great example of what we're
like a
going to be
preview.
doing.
So
Preview here.
okay.
So the drain grates that you're looking at here are some of our prototypes from the Frank Lloyd Wright collection. And we are really excited to debut the Frank Lloyd Wright collection at KBIS coming up in January, I believe. The partnership that we've secured with them has taken a little bit of time because, as many of you know, the body of work that Frank Lloyd Wright had was vast. The designs that you can see in front of us here are the Mimosa, the Fellowship, and the Haven. And these are some of the designs that we've come up with and worked on to debut at the show. We have possibly another one, so we should have about 4 grates to show you at KBIS. And again, remember, these are prototypes, so there may be some texture issues in there, but when you see them in January, I'm sure that they will wow you.